Meet the Apollo BP3EW-4G, a wire-free 4G solar security camera designed for reliable monitoring in remote and off-grid locations. It delivers 3MP 2K video, AI-based human and vehicle detection, and WizColor technology for bright, detailed images in low-light conditions. With solar charging, a 36Wh rechargeable battery. Now, let's move on to the installation of the Apollo BP3EW-4G. First, make sure the camera has been charged for at least 1.5 hours. Insert the SIM card and, if supported, the microSD card before powering on the camera. Next, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to turn the camera on. Once the camera starts up, we can proceed with the network configuration through the DMSS app. Open the DMSS app on your smartphone, tap Add Device, and scan the QR code on the camera. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to the 4G network and bind it to your DMSS account. Now it's time to mount the camera. Choose a strong and stable surface that can safely support the camera and mounting bracket. Secure the bracket using the appropriate screws and anchors. After mounting the camera, adjust the viewing angle according to your coverage area. The camera supports up to 350 degrees of pan and 90 degrees of tilt, giving you flexible positioning. Finally, position the solar panel where it can receive plenty of direct sunlight throughout the day. In the Northern Hemisphere, the installation guide recommends orienting the panel toward true south for optimal exposure. Once everything is secured, check the camera through DMSS, confirm the 4G connection, adjust the viewing angle, and your Apollo BP3EW-4G is ready for remote surveillance.